We're back with Dino Bird, and we're much closer this time. He's looking pretty cool. I wonder if he's gonna get one for us. Is he gonna get one for us? Look at that eye, guys. Look at that eye. Oh, he's looking at me. What do you see, buddy? What do you see? Go get it. Go get it. I know you see it. I'm a shitty cameraman, I know it, but look at this Dino Bird. Dino Bird don't give a shit. Look at that eye. Yeah, I want to just go in there and get another snack. I know he's hungry. Yeah, welcome to Caleb's YouTube. This is where you get Dino Birds eating snacks. Yeah, look at him. He just wants it. I'm pretty close to him now. He's pretty cool. Let's watch him get one, guys. Ooh, he's going for a snack. He got it. Look at that sniper attack. Look at that sniper attack, dude. He's awesome. You guys see that? He don't give a shit. Gonna rinse his mouth out again. Guy is super cool. Just hungry. He don't give a shit. He don't give a shit at all. He's just sniper attacking. Get another one, buddy. I'm zoomed in up close. Let's check out that eyeball. Look how cool his eye is. If I can sit still, but look at this crane. We're gonna call him Lizard Bird. Kitty, you little dragon. Come on, buddy. I know you want another one. Get one more. Get one more, dude. Come on, buddy. Look at that neck. Get one more. I know you got it in ya.